by the authority vested in me as the University President of the University of Eastern Philippines, pursuant to the Legal Education Board Memorandum Number 19, 2018, and as approved by the Board of Regents Resolution Number 08, Series of 2022, you are hereby conferred the degree of Juris Doctor, effective this date, May 6, 2023, and granted all the rights and duties appertaining thereto pursuant to the existing rules and laws. Congratulations!